Take a ride in the 2013 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.